The next time you run out of your face masks, you don't have to add them to your shopping list. Save your money and make one from home with what you already have. Urban Spool's owner, Stefanie, she joins us to show us how to do that. And the best part, as I mentioned already, you don't need a sewing machine because your girl doesn't have one. Good morning to you.
Exactly. And also, they're all sold out too.
Oh, good to know. All right. Well, then you're going to help us out.
Yeah, absolutely. We've been helping out quite a few people building some masks, but today I'm going to show you some that require no sewing machine, and you can pretty much easily do it at home. Okay, so right here, I'm going to be using a rotary cutter and a ruler, but you can do this very easily at home with a simple ruler, scissors, and Sharpie.
Now,
so
tell me what
this
kind of
one right here
fabric
is
you're
one of my
using really
favorites.
quick.
This right here is 100% cotton. So this is just a regular cotton t-shirt. You can find these easily at your home, one that you're willing to just kind of give up for the mask. But that is what's recommended, is that you use 100% cotton.
Got it.
So right here, what I'm doing, elastic has become very difficult to come by. So right here, all I'm doing is simply cutting out a strip from this t-shirt. This is about 1 inch wide. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. You can measure out, you can do 6 inches for like a child's t-shirt, 7 inches for a teen, 8 inches for an adult. And it doesn't have to be precise. So we're gonna cut that out as well.
Yours looks pretty precise. Mine would be a mess.
Yeah.
But I like that. 6 for a child, 7 for a teen, 8 inches for an adult. Great rule of thumb right there.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep. And we're gonna cut off the sides.
You make it look so easy though.
Well, it is a lot easier with a rotary cutter and a ruler.
All true. See, now mine, I would just go get the kitchen scissors, get an old t-shirt I'm not wearing anymore, but you know what, as long as it does its job, that's all that matters.
Exactly. So now if you notice, I have 2 pieces. So this one I'm going to put to the side. You could use it for a second mask. So what you're going to do first is just pull the top. Easy enough.
Okay.
And that's going to curl it.
Got it.
If you can see that, I'll turn that over so you can see that. Okay.
All right.
Then you're going to take that strip you cut out initially.
Now, is this the part that's going on our face, I imagine?
Yep.
This is covering
yep,
our, okay, very good.
Mask. So we're going to cut the ends here and cut here. Now, this is one thing I love about t-shirts. You can't find elastic right now, and a lot of our sewists have just been using t-shirts because you can pull it and it'll start to curl up.
Now, you say that using a rubber band is not a good choice behind your ears. I'll tell you this, my ears already stick out, so then when I put them on, I look like the ultimate elf named Alana. You know, so, but why is it a bad choice other than it's just uncomfortable?
It's very uncomfortable. It pulls really hard. They're not flexible enough, which ironically, that's, you know, great for our hair, but not so great for our ears. So a lot of people, since you can't find elastic these days, have been improvising, and I have learned that t-shirt seems to be the most popular option. Okay, so I have to admit, the first time I saw this, I'm like, this is not gonna work. And it actually works really well. You fold this over, so you tie the 2 ties together. So remember, I had that strip I cut in half. Okay. And then I stretched it out. Fold this over and fold this over, and you're done. So she's gonna switch cameras so you can see. Yeah, I know. I didn't believe it either. So I'm gonna take off my glasses, and you put this over here.
Oh, so it doesn't actually go around your ears. Yeah, I just want to show you really quick what I look like with those rubber band masks like this. Yeah. Straight out of like a fairy tale or something like that. But that looks way more comfortable because it's not actually going around your ears. Oh, look at that.
I know.
Great idea.
So look at that.
Yeah, that was so easy. All you needed was a t-shirt and scissors.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, we got that done in what, less than a minute?
Oh, we did that on live TV right now. Genius. Yeah. Now you have one more mask. Quickly, let me know about that. You're using a reusable grocery bag?
Yeah. So let me go ahead and show you another option. Now, a lot of people have been doing bandana masks. You can find a lot of YouTube videos on that. But if you're anything like me, I don't have bandanas at home. So you can use sheets. your regular bed sheets. If there's one you don't like anymore or it's just a little bit worn out, as long as it's 100% cotton, you're good to go.
Okay.
And then all you need to do, all this is 21 inches by 22 inches. That's it.
21
you
by
cut this
22.
out with a pair of scissors. And then you can do your classic bandana mask.
Got it.
Oh, and you're going to love this because guess what you can use for the ties?
A t-shirt.
Yep, you got it. And it's almost the same exact design.
Amazing. Okay, well, some great options. I've done the bandana mask already. I've even gotten my like ski mask that you're supposed to wear. I got a little hot under there because I use it while I'm skiing. But this is a great alternative if you want to spice up your face mask fashion and you're just tired of reusing and washing the same ones over and over. Add some more. So thank you so much for the great tips this morning. I'm going to go home and make a few new masks. Well, stay safe and healthy, and thanks again.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.